Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by examining the hardware. Remove visible debris and dry the stems and mesh, because dirt often causes static or feedback. Once done, make sure your source device and AirPods firmware are current. Outdated firmware can introduce noise. Next, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings. Power Bluetooth off for about 10 seconds, then power it back on and pair again. This clears simple pairing glitches and often eliminates intermittent hiss or pops. You now isolate the source. Play the same audio from a second device to see if noise persists, because that tells you if the issue is the AirPods or the phone. If noise continues, disable noise control features. Active noise cancellation or transparency can introduce artifacts when sensors misread pressure. Also, lower the volume and turn off any EQ or sound enhancement. Excessive processing can create distortion. If noise stops after these steps, re-enable functions, one at a time to find the culprit. You finish by performing a full reset. Place both AirPods in the case, hold the setup button until the LED flashes amber then white, and repair to your device. This clears deeper firmware or profile errors. Make sure the case and contacts are clean and charging reliably, since low or unstable power can cause noise. If none of these steps remove the sound, contact Apple support or book service. They can test hardware, replace faulty units, or advise on warranty options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.